Hey everybody, Kimberly here again, just as I said I would be. And today I wanted to talk to you about wishing. And you're probably thinking, wishing, what does that have to do with online marketing or digital marketing? And I remember I wanted to talk about this because I was talking to someone else and I was reminded of a saying my mother used to have. And that saying was, don't wish your life away. You know, when you're 12, you want to be 16 because you want to drive a car. And when you're 16, you want to be 21 so you can be an adult and leave the house. And, you know, she would say, honey, it goes too fast. Don't wish your life away. And at the time I thought, oh, that's so corny. But now I understand. Because it goes like that, just like that. And I was thinking about how that can also apply to those of us who want to try to make a living with online marketing. Because there's a lot of wishes involved with online marketing. And see if any of these sound familiar to you. I wish I could find the right product. Oh, I wish. Or I wish I knew how to do Facebook ads, or I wish I knew how to make a landing page, right? Or I wish I had more money, or I wish I had started sooner. Now it's that last one that's the most important. I wish I had started sooner. All those other wishes, they don't matter, because if you never start, they don't matter. So here's my thought for you today. I want you to just start. And now listen very closely. I have started more times than I can tell you, but I'm still here. And sometimes you have to make those starts to find out what isn't going to work for you. So none of those are failures. The difference is if you start and stop, just start right back up again and say, daggone it, I am going to make this work, because that's been me. That has been me. It's like I will make this work come hell or high water. And the high water, in a good way, has finally come for me. And I want that for you too. So don't just wish. Don't wish your life and your time away. Don't wish a year from now that you started today, right? So, and here's something else I want to tell you as far as the things I'm going to be talking about. I will give you some tips, and I will give you some advice. I will give you motivation. I am not techie. So do not ever, ever, ever expect any kind of technical information from me, because that's just not who I am. I have farmed that out for as long as I can remember. So don't worry about that. Don't let that be the thing that stops you, because there's always somebody on Fiverr you can pay $5 or $10 for who can do it for you, who can make you a website, who can make you a lead page, or there's maybe a $5 or $10 course out there that will teach you how to do that. But don't let that be the thing that stops you. Don't let it be the techie stuff, because you don't have to worry about that. Plus, there's so many programs out there now that do all the heavy lifting already. So don't worry about that. A lot of that's overrated anyway. Because you know what's the most important? It's what you and I are doing right now. It's making that connection. It's me talking to you and hoping that you're listening, and you on the other side asking me questions that I will answer. If you ask them, I will answer. So this is the most important thing, right? Before I go, I did want to tell you just a little bit about a program I am involved with right now called the Digital Affiliates, which is a great program by a guy named Bob Beckett. You may or may not have heard of him, but he is a two-time, two-comma award winner, on his way to 3, if you can imagine, award winner with the program put on by Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels. So that's pretty amazing. Anyway, he's got a program called the Digital Affiliates, which is fantastic. There is just tons of training, and Bob is in the group, he is in the membership, he is there for you. And the other thing that he's doing that is super cool is he is doing a 100-day challenge himself, and we are holding him accountable to where he's going in every day for 100 days and telling us exactly what he is doing to move his business forward as if he was starting from the beginning. Who does that? Now, don't expect like a lot of techie stuff. Again, as I was saying before, there might be some stuff in other parts of the program where he shows you, but this is more of this is what I did today, to where you can go in and you can model. You can model what he's doing. So, all of this is what I find just completely incredible for the really, really low price of $47 a month. $47 a month for all of that. And again, you have a group and you have a membership, and this membership he will be adding to and adding to and adding to, because this is his baby. This is going to be his life's work. He is very, very much involved every single day with this. And for example, just today, I won $100 for something I did in the group. Again, who does that? So if you're interested, wherever you're watching this, either PM me, DM me, hit the button, or click in the bio, wherever it is, you can get in contact with me, because again, as I was saying, I listen. I will answer you. I will answer any questions that you have about the program, or if you have a question about something else. But anyway, I'm here to help you, and I'm going to leave you with this final thought again from my mother. Don't wish your life away. Start today. Start now. So, until next time, this is Kimberly Thibodeaux, and I'll see you again.